Good morning, children. Let us start with a beautiful thought. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. Let us start an interesting lesson, transport and communication. Children, you can see a truck, a train, a bus, a ship and an aeroplane here. These are all means of transport. We used different means and modes of transport at different times in history. But the means of transport we use nowadays are faster and safer than the older ones. You must be thinking, what is meant by transport, right? So dear children, movement of people or goods from one place to other is called transport. I repeat, movement of people or goods from one place to other is called transport. Now look at these three means of transport here. We use each of these means of transport to travel from one place to other. Children, bullock cart was the first to be used by man. But can you tell which part is common to all of these? Yes, you are right. It is the wheel. It will be interesting to know how a wheel is invented, isn't it? Let's see. Invention of a wheel. Man used to see logs of wood and round boulders rolling down mountain slopes. Children, logs of wood means a big round piece of wood, and round boulders means a round big stone. These are used to roll down easily from slopes. It is thought that these observations gave him the idea of the wheel. In olden days, planks of wood were used to transport objects, as you can see here. Later, by attaching wheels to these planks, the speed of transport increased. Time and effort were saved. The invention of the wheel is an important step in the progress of mankind. Children, these are the modes of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Let's have a look on these modes of transport. Children, bus, car, train, bicycle, trucks, these are the examples of land transport. These vehicles move or run on land. A ship, boat, cruise and submarine are all examples of water transport. And aeroplane, helicopter are the examples of air transport, means of air transport. Do you know, even if ultra-modern means of transport have been invented in modern times, in some parts of the world, men and animals are still used for the purpose of transport. For example, yaks are used in inaccessible parts. Children, inaccessible means very difficult or impossible to travel to or reach to such part. Camels in the desert and palanquins or dollies in the mountainous areas means pahadi ilaka. Let us study transportation of water and combustible substances. Children, combustible substance means a substance which can burn, like kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. We know that water and wind are substances that flow. Pipes are used to transport these substances. Water has been transported through pipes or canals since ancient times. It is safer to transport combustible substances such as mineral oil and natural gas through pipes. Crude oil is transported from the oil well to the refinery through pipelines. Children, crude oil means oil in a natural state that has not yet been treated. Similarly, after refining, it is transported through pipelines to the marketplace in some parts. Dear children, let us revise what we have studied in the video. Information about modes of transport in different periods of time. The importance of the invention of the wheel. Right? We will continue the remaining part in the next video.